that's me.
What is up, you guys? This is your girl Sherfit Johnson, and if you haven't seen part 1 of my winter wash day routine, I would definitely check that out. Right here is a snippet of that video, me washing my type 4 hair and detangling it with shampoo. So go check out that video. This is part 2, and I'm gonna show you how I actually achieve my wash and go in the winter time. As you can see, I'm adding some of my favorite oil, my Jamaican black castor oil, to my edges, to my scalp, to my nape, and massaging it all in, because we both know our type 4 hair will get extremely dry, especially in the winter. The other 2 products that I'm going to be using are fairly simple. It is the SHEA Moisture Conditioner, and then I'm also going to be using my Eco Styler Gel. So what I do is moisturize my section. My hair is already damp, and I add that conditioner throughout my strands, just coating my hair so it can have a nice texture. And then I start to braid. This is going to keep my crown from being fuzzy and make it have some texture. So that's why I'm deciding to do the braid first. Shout out to my little man in the background. Eventually I got him to get out of there. But after I braid down about 6 times, I add the Eco Styler Gel to the ends of it and do a wash and go as normal. I love using this Eco Styler Gel, but use whichever Eco Styler Gel that you like best and works good for your hair. I know for my type 4 hair, this one is the bomb. So like I said, braid down in the very beginning and then add your gel as normal. I like to coat it through every strand that I have, and then also take my finger and kind of twirl it around my finger to give it more definition and more curl. Again, you guys, I like to use this braiding method in the beginning so my crown can have some definition. My type 4 hair usually won't get the definition that it needs because it just remains frizzy at the crown. And I complete this step throughout my whole head. I thought that would get super tedious showing you guys every single part, but in the end I have about 20 braids throughout my hair. I did sit under the hooded dryer, but you could blow dry your hair, you could air dry your hair. But since this is a wintertime routine, I did not want to go outside with my hair soaking wet or damp or anything. That's why I decided to sit under my hooded dryer. It took me about 45 minutes for my hair to be completely dry, and to be honest, you could probably leave your hair like this overnight. So then I just take down the braids, and you can use oil. My favorite oil at the moment, of course, is coconut oil, but I'm also loving my avocado oil. You guys, this is my absolutely favorite hairstyle, my winter wash day routine. It only takes me 3 hours to wash my hair, to create this wash and go, and also to let it dry and take out. 3 hours is honestly not a long time, because when I do a regular wash and go in the summer or when it's not cold outside, my hair takes at least 8 full hours to even dry, and then it still might be damp in the middle. But yes, as you see, I'm just taking out all of my braids. And I forgot to mention before, I did not create nice sections or parts because I do not want those spaces showing. If you have a pick, you can definitely make your hair bigger, but me, I'm just going to separate my hair. And I'm honestly not worried about my hair being too big, because as the days go on, of course, my hair will grow in size. How and why does this happen? I have no idea. But if you have not seen part 1 to this video, I would definitely check it out. But I'm all done here with my winter wash day routine, and my hair is bouncy, it's shiny, and as you can see, it has great texture. It is completely defined, and you can use any products that you want. I would definitely consider using the lock method. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please comment anything down below if you have any questions. Hit subscribe so you can see what's coming up on my channel. Follow your girl on Instagram at Sherfit Johnson. Hit the bell alert so you know when I'm posting a video. Until next time, you guys. Peace.